welcome back everyone to another episode. Welcome back everyone to another episode of Advanced React WordPress Theme Development using Next.js and GraphQL. And in the previous video, we learned about how to display the site title, tagline, how to get the header and the footer. And in this video, we learn about how to go ahead and display the Favicon dynamically in Next.js. Okay, so if you remember, we already have the Favicon coming from WordPress, right? If you take a look over here, we've got the Favicon URL coming in the header. All I have to do is just display that dynamically. So what do? We go back and we go to the layout, and what we do over here is that we import something called head that's available in Next.js from Next.head. Okay, and then I'm just going to use this head, so we don't really need to have helmet. Next.js already provides head component with that allows us to just go ahead and add any of the meta or anything that needs to go into the head of your HTML. So I'm going to go ahead and use link with the rel shortcut icon and then just put the URL of the Favicon here. Okay, so I'll say data dot header dot Favicon. I think this is the one. Let me just check, confirm. So it's Favicon. Yep. There you go. Now let's try it. Let's go. It refreshes. Awesome. Congratulations. So can you see we've got the nice little Favicon over here, which is amazing. Perfect. So we've got pretty much everything here in the header. We've got the site title, the tagline, the Favicon, etc. And in the next video now, what we're going to do is we will learn about how to add the footer, okay, to the site, and we will go ahead and fetch the footer, the social icons, everything, copyright text, all of that from WordPress itself. Okay, so I hope you did like the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and do star my repository. My repository address is Next.js headless WordPress at imranhsayed. And thanks to all the people who have already started my repository. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.